Welcome to Saanvi's World. I am Saanvi, and today I'm going to tell you a very good story. And it's the snake and the carpenter. So once the snake was very hungry, and he went and then he looked all around for food, and then finally he ended up in a carpenter's shop, and it was closed. The snake went inside the hole, and he got swept with a knife, and the snake got hurt. When he got hurt, he was angry. So he started fighting with a knife. The more he was fighting, the more he was getting hurt, and finally the snake died. Who killed the snake? The carpenter? No, the carpenter was just running a business. The knife? No, the knife was just lying there. The anger of the snake was telling the snake to do bad stuff, and the snake then got hurt. So always remember, anger kills you. So stay away from anger. Anger is bad. It's not bad for other person. It's bad for you, because in you have anger. So stay away from anger. And even sometimes other people have, and they also have to stay away from anger, because anger can destroy you. And anger is super bad because anger can kill you. It can do so many things. Do you have the snake story I told you? Like that, anger can kill you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Saanvi's World, and if you have any comments, please post them. Bye, and stay away from anger.